Hello. Welcome back to TerryMelissaKitchen. In this video, I will be making this delicious creamy butter chicken. This recipe is super easy to make, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. For this recipe, you'll need boneless chicken. So here I have 4 pieces of chicken breast, which is 1.5 pounds. Now I'm gonna cut it into medium chunks. You can cut it into whatever size you prefer. For the first marination, you'll need 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. Combine all that together, cover, and let marinate in the fridge for 20 minutes. For the second marination, you'll need 3/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 3/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 3 teaspoon fenugreek powder. Now mix that all up and marinate in the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours. The longer you marinate the meat, the softer it becomes, and it also gets to soak up all the flavors, which is a good thing because who wants bland food? Not me. Now to make the sauce, you'll need 5 medium-sized tomatoes and 1/4 cup of raw cashews. Blend them together to make a smooth puree. The next step is to grill the chicken. To grill the chicken in the oven, you'll need to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and grill the chicken for at least 20 minutes. While the chicken is in the oven, in a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and saute 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 inches each, 4 cloves, and 4 cardamons for 1 minute. Then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 red chilies and saute for another minute. Next, you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, the tomato cashew puree, and cook until the tomato puree becomes thick. When the tomato puree becomes thick, add 1 cup of water and simmer for 4 minutes. Now add the cooked chicken, cover, and simmer for another 4 minutes. Next, add 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala and simmer for 2 minutes. The last step is to add half cup of chilled whipping cream and remove the pot from the stove. Okay guys, look at this. So creamy, flavorful, and delicious. And to top it off, I'm going to serve it with basmati rice and garnish it with coriander leaves. I want to thank you guys for watching. And before you go, please like, comment, share the video, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video, and subscribe. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So thank you, thank you, thank you. See you in my next video.